Hey, everyone, kids. This is Dr. Callahan with week 13, Monday. I hope you guys had a great weekend. So go ahead and pause the video and answer the following 3 questions for your warm-up log. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the breakdown for today's stuff. We are going to be talking about a brand new topic when it comes to histogram, frequency tables, and then also central tendency. So you guys need to go ahead and make sure you have the brand new packet that you're going to be using. It's for week 13 all the way until week 19 to the end of the semester. And it's a brand new packet. So if you did not grab that, it will be outside of my door in B1, and also you can grab a copy of it in class. So the first thing I want you guys to do is take a look over here on the left side. How did I go about organizing this data? So take a moment, read the left, and then on the right side, write down what you think. Okay, so looking at this part right here, you should see something that, these age group, there is a lot of people within that age, and it's just a bunch of data. So we have to have a better way of organizing this besides just writing a bunch of numbers everywhere. And the way that this was organized is based on age interval. So every 10 years, between 30 to 39, 40 to 49, all the way to 80 to 89. And these are the number of people that are in that age group. Like 30 people are between the ages of 50 to 59, 18 are between 70 to 79, 2 really young senators are between the age of 30 to 39. And so once you organize it like this, you just go ahead and add everything up, and the total is 100 senators. Now, visually, you can go ahead and organize this on a table like this, and you can see just based on the table with comparing how tall the tables are or the bar graphs are. Majority of the senators are between the age group of 60 to 69, followed by 50 to 59, followed by 7 by 79. And then, of course, if you're 30 to 39, 80 to 89, you guys are outliers because those are the lowest bars. All right, let's go and take a look at this part right here. So we're going to talk about a stem and leaf plot, histogram, dot plot, and box and whisker. So a stem and leaf is a graphical method used to represent an ordered numerical data. And what you're going to do, the first step is you are going to create the T. Next, you are going to separate the ones and the tens and organize it on the table. And step 3, just count each row. So for example, take a look at this example here and see how it is organized. Now we're going to take a look over at these numbers, and we're going to organize it as well. So first thing I'm going to do is, remember, going back to elementary school, first number is going to be the tens place. Second number is going to be the ones place. So looking at this, my 10 starts at 1, and the highest it gets to is to 2. So I'm just going to put 1, 2. And then I'm going to look at this part right here, and I have a 3, that's done, a 3, that's done. I have 11, so let's put that right there. And so it would really help me if I go ahead and organize my data from smallest to biggest. So that way I'm not missing anything. And then as I'm looking at the remaining of the numbers here, I have 21, so put a 1 there. Oh, I missed a 19, so I'm going to put a 9 right there. 22, so put a 2 down here. 26, so put a 6 down here. 27, put a 7. And then 23. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So altogether, there are 9 data points. And that's how you organize it into a stem and leaf. Next, let's take a look at a dot plot. Okay, a dot plot is a way of displaying data by using a a line, and dots to represent a set of data. So we're going to draw a dot plot of this right here. So we're going to start off the smallest number, which is 1. So put 1 right there. And we'll do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Don't need to go any further. Next, we're going to put dots. So there's a dot on 1. That's gone. 1 on 3. 2 on 4. 1, 2, 3 on 5. 1 on 2 on 6. 1 on 7. 1 on, oh, actually there's an 11, so 10, 11. 1 on 9. And that is your dot plot. And as you look at this, you can see the frequency. Frequency as in like how many dots or which one has the most. 5 obviously have the most. 1, 11 has the least. And you can see that 2 and 10 have none. So visually, you're able to see this. Next one is a histogram. And a histogram is a way of displaying comparative data using an array or vertical bars. So the bars indicate frequency. So let's go ahead and draw the data of students, okay? So the age of students, the youngest one here is 2, and the oldest one is 14. So if I do 0, let's do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and go one more higher to 14. Or what we can do is, instead of doing that, we can maybe just start at 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. There we go. So here represents the ages of students. And for this is the number of student with the age group. So I have 2 students that are 2 years old. So I'll just put let's put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll do the bar here. So students that are 2 years of age, there are 2 of them. Next, I also have students that are, let's see, how do I want to do this? I'm doing this incorrectly. Sorry, I'm going to backtrack a little bit, you guys. We'll do it this way here. Let's erase that. So this will be let's do this one as the age of students. So age of student from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This right here is going to be the frequency, so the number of students that are at 0. So how many students are at 0? There is 1. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for students that are 0 age, or I guess are babies, there's 1. How many students are at 1? There are 1. How many students are at 2? There are 2. How many students that are 3? None. How many are 4 years of age? None. 5 years of age? None. 6 years of age? 1, 2. How many students are 7? There's 1. How many students that are 8? 1. How many students that are 9? 0. 10, 0, 11, there is 1. How many students are 12? None. 13, there is 1. And 1 for 14. And that is your histogram. So you can see that majority of the students here are either 6 years old or 2-year-old. And that we have no students that are 4, 9, 10, 12. All right, so let's go and take a look at the next part. The difference between the interquartile range is going to be the difference between the upper quartile and lower quartile. Step 1, so to find the upper and lower quartile, you need to rearrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. So let's do that. So I'm going to rearrange this from 9, 7, 11, 13, there's a 12, 15, 16, 20. Okay. Next, find the median, or just the middle number. So the middle number is right here is the middle. Next, you're going to find the lower quartile, which is the median on the left side. So between these numbers, what is your middle number? The median is going to be 10. That's your lower quartile. Then find the upper quartile, which is your median on the right. And that's going to be 15.5. Last step is you're going to take IQR is going to be the upper quartile minus the lower quartile. So 15.5 minus 10, which is going to give you IQR, and that is going to be 4.5. And that is your answer. Okay, now let's go ahead and fill in the blank. A gap is a blank in data set. Cluster is a group of data gathered together. Skew is when a set of data has more data on one, or I should put on the left or right side, then it's considered skew. Like for example, like that, there's not a lot of data on the right side. This is considered to be normal. This is not. Outlier is a value that is very far from most of the value. All right, last one, you guys, box and whisker. So looking at the box and whisker plot, a diagram that summarizes data using the median, the upper and lower quartile, and the extreme value of the smallest number and the biggest number. So we're going to try this out. First step, you're going to go ahead and rearrange the numbers from the smallest number to the biggest number. So my smallest number here is 9. Just kidding. 7, 9, 11, 12, 15, 16, 20. Oh, don't forget 13. There you go. Next step, you're going to find the median, the middle number. So your middle number is going to be 12.5. Next, you're going to find the upper quartile, which is the middle number of the upper side, on the right side. So what's the middle number between 15 and 16? I think we said it was 15.5. What is the lower quartile of the lower side, left side, which is highlighted right here in yellow? And I think we made that determination that it was going to be 10. So now that you have this, let's go ahead and graph it. So on your paper, our smallest number is going to be 7. So I'm going to start at 7. Biggest number is at 20. So we might want to rearrange this based on maybe by 5s. So let's go 5. Let's see, maybe by 4s. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Perfect. And so then we're going to start off with the medium, which is 12.5, and that's going to be this number right here. 15.5 right here, 10. Now those 3 dots are going to create the box. There's your box. And then your smallest and biggest number, which is 7 and 20, will create the whisker. So then 7, which is right here, there's your whisker. And then 20 right there, there's your whisker. And that's how you create the box and whisker. All right, you guys. So next one, how you guys do is practice with this a little bit. I'm going to do this on a quizzes. So I'm going to assign this homework for you guys. You just need to do this on your own. Go to joinmyquiz.com and then enter the code 57361618. As always, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.